guys, it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm here with my latest unboxing. These are going to be my second pair of Jimmy Choo shoes, my first sandals by them. I got these because Jimmy Choo is having a sale going on as of right now, and I wanted to get the Lance 115s, but they were completely sold out in my size. So I could not get the 115s, even though I know you guys happen to like the highest heels I could find. But I did happen to find a pair of really pretty 100s. They're a sandal. They are called the Liu. They are a half Dorsey with an ankle strap, and they're of mesh and suede. So I think they're actually really pretty. Look at these. I don't believe I own anything quite like this in my collection. The closest thing that I have to it is my Louboutin Mafaldinas, which are not really Dorsey at all. So I'm pretty sure these are my first ever sort of Dorsey type shoes, even though they're only a half. But I'm really excited about these because I got them 40% off while on sale. I'm hoping I can get enough together to get some Lance 115s because I can't order them online. I have to actually get them in store on Rodeo. If I can get them, I cannot guarantee that. So let me get the next shoe so that way I can show you guys how both of them look, even though you have a pretty good idea of how this one will look as well. Super pretty, probably going to be really nice on the foot. I really like this half Dorsey because I love to show off my arches because I do have a naturally high arch. So I'm just going to throw these on and let you guys see how they look. So I will see you in a bit. Thanks for watching.